Michelle Disney. I'm a shipper, receiver. I ship all of the product out of this building. Everything that comes in, I have to receive and distribute to whoever it goes to. We are the end of the line for the parts to go to the customer, and we have to make sure everything is to spec and that we're sending all the right paperwork with it. We have to make sure everything is exact when it goes out because we're the last people to touch the parts. And if we don't ship it, they don't make money, so. I actually started in dry press in 1984 down at Building 19. I ran a press. Yeah, so I was there for about a year and was in HR department and kind of bounced around there until I got hired into production planning, and then eventually became a production planner. Then decided I needed a change, more physical. So then I moved to shipping. So yeah, I do, I like it, I do. I enjoy my job and I'm good at it and I have a good work ethic, and I hope that I instill that in other people. The company has been really good to me. I have a house, I have vehicles. We put my daughter through college, so it's been really good to us. Always work as hard as you can while you're here. Do what's expected, try to improve yourself, always be willing to help others, to learn, and treat others how you want to be treated. It makes it a lot easier to deal with people in your job.